Are you tired of living with the constant pain and debilitating effects of migraines? If so, it's time to unlock the power of Emgality. This comprehensive guide will show you how Emgality can provide relief and give you the freedom to live your life to the fullest. Emgality is a breakthrough medication specifically designed to treat migraines. With its unique formula, Emgality targets the protein responsible for triggering migraines, providing fast and effective relief. Say goodbye to the days of canceling plans and missing out on life's precious moments. But Emgality is more than just a migraine medication. It's a game changer. By taking control of your migraines, you can regain control of your life. No more living in fear of when the next migraine will strike or the anxiety that comes with it. Emgality empowers you to live a life free from the constraints of migraines. Understanding migraines and their impact. Migraines are more than just a headache. They can be incredibly debilitating, affecting every aspect of your life. The throbbing pain, sensitivity to light and sound, and accompanying symptoms such as nausea and dizziness can make it impossible to carry out daily activities. Migraines can last for hours or even days, leaving you feeling drained and unable to function. The exact cause of migraines is still not fully understood, but researchers believe that they are influenced by a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Migraines can be triggered by various factors, including stress, hormonal changes, certain foods, lack of sleep, and even weather changes. Understanding your triggers can be essential in managing and preventing migraines. Living with migraines can be incredibly challenging, affecting your relationships, work, and overall quality of life. Many people find themselves canceling plans, missing out on important events, and feeling isolated because of their migraines. The constant pain and uncertainty can lead to anxiety and depression, further exacerbating the impact of migraines on mental health. Introducing Emgality, how it works and its benefits. Emgality is a revolutionary medication specifically designed to target migraines at their source. It belongs to a class of drugs known as calcitonin gene-related peptide, CGRP, inhibitors. CGRP is a protein that plays a crucial role in the development of migraines. By blocking the action of CGRP, Emgality effectively prevents migraines from occurring. Unlike other migraine medications that focus on managing symptoms, Emgality addresses the root cause of migraines. By targeting the protein responsible for triggering migraines, Emgality provides fast and effective relief. Clinical trials have shown that Emgality can significantly reduce the frequency and severity of migraines, helping individuals regain control of their lives. One of the key benefits of Emgality is its convenience. It is available in a convenient, easy-to-use, self-administered injection form. With simple instructions and a pre-filled pen, Emgality can be administered at home, eliminating the need for frequent doctor visits. This allows individuals to take control of their treatment and manage their migraines on their own terms. Emgality dosage and administration guidelines. Before starting Emgality, it is important to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage for your specific needs. Emgality is available in two dosage options: 120 mg and 240 mg. The recommended starting dose is 120 mg, followed by a monthly maintenance dose of 240 mg. Your healthcare provider will guide you through the dosage and administration process. Emgality is administered via subcutaneous injection, which means it is injected just below the skin. The injection can be done in the abdomen, thigh, or upper arm. The Emgality pen is designed to be user-friendly, with clear instructions and a built-in needle that automatically retracts after the injection. It is important to follow the administration guidelines provided by your healthcare provider to ensure the proper delivery of the medication. It is normal to feel some discomfort during the injection, but it should be manageable. If you experience any severe pain, swelling, or signs of an allergic reaction after administering Emgality, it is important to seek medical attention immediately. Potential side effects and precautions. Like any medication, Emgality may have potential side effects. However, it is important to note that not everyone will experience these side effects, and they are generally well tolerated. The most common side effects reported by individuals using Emgality include injection site reactions, such as pain, redness, or itching. These reactions are usually mild and resolve on their own. In rare cases, individuals may experience more serious side effects, such as allergic reactions. If you experience difficulty breathing, swelling of the face or throat, or hives after administering Emgality, seek immediate medical attention. It is also important to inform your healthcare provider of any pre-existing medical conditions or medications you are taking to ensure Emgality is safe for you to use. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should consult with their healthcare provider before starting Emgality, as the safety of the medication during pregnancy and lactation has not been established. Success stories. Real-life experiences with Emgality. The effectiveness of Emgality in providing relief from migraines can be seen through the real-life experiences of individuals who have used the medication. Many have reported a significant reduction in the frequency and severity of their migraines, allowing them to regain control of their lives. Sarah, a 35-year-old working professional, had been suffering from debilitating migraines for years. She would often have to take time off work, cancel plans, and miss out on important events. After starting Emgality, Sarah noticed a dramatic improvement in her migraines. She now experiences fewer migraines and can manage them more effectively when they do occur. Emgality has given her the freedom to live her life without constantly worrying about her migraines. John, a 42-year-old father of two, had been struggling with migraines for as long as he could remember. His migraines would often leave him bedridden and unable to participate in family activities. Since starting Emgality, John has experienced a significant reduction in the frequency and intensity of his migraines. He can now enjoy quality time with his family without the constant fear of a migraine attack. These success stories highlight the transformative power of Emgality in providing relief from migraines and allowing individuals to live their lives to the fullest. Tips for incorporating Emgality into your migraine management routine. In addition to taking Emgality as prescribed, there are several steps you can take to optimize its effectiveness and incorporate it into your overall migraine management routine. Keep a migraine diary. Tracking your migraines, including triggers, symptoms, and frequency, can help you identify patterns and make informed decisions about your treatment. Practice self-care. Prioritize self-care activities such as getting enough sleep, managing stress, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. These can help reduce the frequency and severity of migraines. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can trigger migraines, so it is important to stay hydrated throughout the day. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Avoid triggers. Identify and avoid your migraine triggers as much as possible. Common triggers include certain foods, hormonal changes, stress, and lack of sleep. Communicate with your healthcare provider. Regularly communicate with your healthcare provider about your migraines, treatment progress, and any concerns or questions you may have. They can provide guidance and support throughout your migraine management journey. By incorporating these tips into your routine and working closely with your healthcare provider, you can maximize the benefits of Emgality and take control of your migraines. Frequently asked questions about Emgality. Is Emgality suitable for all types of migraines? Emgality is specifically approved for the preventive treatment of migraines in adults. It may not be suitable for individuals with certain medical conditions or those taking certain medications. Consult with your healthcare provider to determine if Emgality is right for you. How long does it take for Emgality to start working? Emgality starts working as soon as it is administered. However, it may take a few weeks to notice a significant reduction in the frequency and severity of migraines. It is important to continue taking Emgality as prescribed to experience the full benefits. Can I use Emgality as an acute treatment for migraines? Emgality is not intended for the acute treatment of migraines. It is specifically designed for preventive treatment to reduce the frequency and severity of migraines. Talk to your healthcare provider about suitable acute treatment options for your migraines. Can I take Emgality with other medications? It is important to inform your healthcare provider about any medications you are taking, including over-the-counter drugs and supplements. They can determine if there are any potential interactions between Emgality and other medications. Can I stop taking Emgality once my migraines improve? It is important to continue taking Emgality as prescribed, even if your migraines improve. Stopping the medication abruptly can increase the risk of migraines returning. Talk to your healthcare provider before making any changes to your treatment plan. These are just a few of the frequently asked questions about Emgality. For more specific information, consult with your healthcare provider or refer to the medication's prescribing information. Other treatment options for migraines. While Emgality is a highly effective treatment for migraines, it is not the only option available. There are several other medications and therapies that can be used to manage and prevent migraines. These include triptans. These medications can help alleviate the symptoms of migraines during an attack. Nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen, can help relieve pain and reduce inflammation associated with migraines. Botox. Botox injections can be used for the prevention of chronic migraines in adults. Lifestyle changes. Implementing lifestyle changes, such as managing stress, getting regular exercise, and practicing relaxation techniques, can help reduce the frequency and severity of migraines. It is important to work closely with your healthcare provider to determine the most suitable treatment options for your migraines based on your individual needs and medical history. Resources and support for individuals using Emgality. Living with migraines can be challenging, but you are not alone. There are resources and support available to help you on your journey to migraine relief and freedom. Here are a few valuable resources. The Emgality website. Visit the official Emgality website for detailed information about the medication, including dosing instructions, safety information, and frequently asked questions. Migraine support groups. Joining a support group can provide you with a supportive community of individuals who understand what you are going through. These groups often offer valuable tips, advice, and emotional support. Online forums and communities. Connect with others who are using Emgality or managing migraines through online forums and communities. These platforms can be a great source of information and support. Remember, your healthcare provider is your best resource for personalized guidance and support. They can provide you with the most up-to-date information about Emgality and help you navigate your migraine management journey. Conclusion. Taking control of your migraines with Emgality. Living with migraines can feel like a never-ending battle, but it doesn't have to be. Emgality offers a beacon of hope for individuals seeking relief from migraines. By targeting the protein responsible for triggering migraines, Emgality provides fast and effective relief, allowing you to regain control of your life. In this guide, we have explored the science behind Emgality, its proven effectiveness, and how it can help you find relief from migraines. We have discussed the dosage and administration guidelines, potential side effects, and precautions. Real-life success stories have highlighted the transformative power of Emgality in providing migraine relief. Remember to incorporate Emgality into your overall migraine management routine by practicing self-care, staying hydrated, and avoiding triggers. Communicate with your healthcare provider regularly and seek support from resources and communities. Say goodbye to migraines and hello to a life of freedom with Emgality. It's time to unlock the power and take control of your migraines. You deserve a life without the constraints of migraines. Let's unlock the power together. Thanks for watching.